it's Christina from Redefine Creative, and I am back with my next set of products that I am going to be working with for Memory Lane Scrapbook Store. And that is just an online scrapbooking store where you can pick up all of the kind of newest collections and some really cool additions for your scrapbooking. And so do make sure you click down in the link below and use the code SECRET20 to get a discount on anything that you purchase over there in the store. And so guys, I'm going to be working with this kind of group of products. So two of the new collections that have just come out. This one is from Crepe Paper called Wild Heart. And this one is from Pink Paisley called Auburn Lane. And then I have some fun mixed media things that I'm going to be playing with as well. So very first up, these are from Nuvo, and these are called Mica Mists. So they say that they add shimmer and sparkle. They contain mica powder and colored pigment, which adheres to the surface. So this is not something that I have used before, and so I'm super excited to play with these. So this one is Fresh Pear, which is kind of like a citron color. And then I also have this one, which is Turkish Rose, which is kind of the real bright pink. And then I also have this really, really bright purple, and this one is called Violet Luster. So I have three of those sprays that I'm going to be playing with. And then I also have something new from Nuvo, and these are called Shimmer Powders. And these kind of remind me of the Ken Oliver Color Bursts. So it just tells you on here, this is Atlantis Burst, and you can kind of see the color there. And it does say, create beautiful metallic color bursts, and it has a fine point similar to what the color bursts have. And so you're going to be able to create some really cool looks with this. And so this one is Atlantis Burst. It is a gorgeous color. I'm super excited to play with that. So there are my mixed media elements I'm going to be working with. And then we'll go through each one of these kind of quickly here. Probably seen, I know there's been tons and tons of unboxing videos. And I have just a few things that I've gotten from the store. In my own stash, I have other things. Okay, try that again. So I do have a bunch of other things from this collection that I will also be bringing in. And you can click over to the store to see what Memory Lane Scrapbook currently has in stock. And so I have the 6x12 stickers that go with this Auburn Lane collection. And so a lot of the same icons and colors that you're going to see throughout the entire collection. And so I love that we have a bunch of phrases, we have icons. Look at these adorable flowers, you guys. Super cute. And then I also have some squares that I can do some grid layouts. I have some banners. So I love the variety that comes in the 6x12. And then I also have the rub-on transfers, and there's 2 sheets of these. And these kind of mimic that same thing, but I love that they're giving us some elements like this, which you can layer. So I can layer these with puffy stickers or pieces of ephemera. And here's another one. This is on the second sheet. Things that I can create and use as a base to build my embellishments off of. And so I love that we're seeing kind of a movement toward that in the rub-ons and stickers and things. All right, I also have the ephemera pack, and there are 40 pieces in here, and I'm not going to open it up for you, but here are all the things that are included. And again, we've got a really good variety. So we've got some frames, some labels, some tags, some icons in all different sizes, a few phrases. So just a really good mix of the things that I look for in an ephemera pack. So I don't want all huge pieces. I don't want all tags or all frames. I want a variety of things that I'm going to be able to mix and match and layer together. And last but not least, also from the store, I have the 6x8 paper pad. And this one does have the copper foil detailing on it, which is something that I love about the paper pads, because the 12x12 papers do not have that the copper foiling. And so I'm just going to flip through these really quick. The colors and the images here are just amazing. Like this card right here, Let's Love More. I love this. Love this, love this, love this. Can't wait to use that one. And these are all single-sided, so you're not having to pick and choose between which side you want to use. And there you can kind of see that foil detailing. But there are just really rich, gorgeous colors. This has kind of a hunter green background, so a little bit different color scheme than things that we have seen, at least recently. A really great dark wood grain. some of those pinks, some great text. And then I love that there's black and white elements and geometrics mixed in, because to me that makes a collection even more kind of usable. This paper pad especially is great because it gives you kind of, and then this just repeats, so it gives you a variety. So I've got some real neutral patterns. I have some bold patterns. I have a great mix of color and several of the pages that have copper and then several that don't. So if I don't want that metallic look, I don't have to have it, which is awesome. So those are the goodies that I was sent to work with as far as Auburn Lane goes. And like I said, I will be adding to this a little bit from my stash and from the store. Any pieces that she may have that I don't already have, so that I can kind of show you guys some great ideas for that. And then the second collection is Wild Heart. Oh, and Auburn Lane snuck in here, you guys. How did that even happen? These are the puffy stickers, which are gorgeous to go with Auburn Lane. So there are 22 of them, and you're getting those same really beautiful florals, some word phrases, which are great, and even some tiny little buttons and hearts, which are going to be super, super fun. So that goes back with Auburn Lane. And now we are on to Wild Heart. So I have the thickers, which are a glitter foam, and these are called Chill. And same type of thing that I've talked to you guys about before that I really like with my thickers. I want lots of different fonts and different sizes and things that I can mix and match and combine. And then I also like the icons on here. Now, some of these are a little bit bigger, but I have some stamps in my stash that are the same shape but a lot smaller. So I think I can combine and make those look really cool. And same thing, at least we have some different size hearts back here on the back. Missing a couple letters here, guys, but I promise you I have them. And I love this one, Memories. That one is awesome. So is this. This Paradise is really cute. And Getaway, super fun. All right, I also have the 6x12 sticker sheet. And this one does have some kind of metallic detailing on it. So you can kind of see that look that it has to it. Same thing that I talked about with Pink Paisley. I like that there's a lot of variety. So we have a lot of different sizes. We have all the colors that go with the collection. And then we also have things like journaling spots and banners, some little teeny tiny details that I can also add. And then on the back, we have some more icons, some labels, and some phrases. And then we have an alpha down here on the bottom. And this isn't a block alpha. These letters actually are cut just the letter, and it does have that metallic finish on it. So that's the 6x12 sticker sheet. And I'm sorry about the glare there, guys. There's not much I can do about that. I also have the ephemera pack, which has 40 pieces, and it says 6 of them are vellum. And so you have the ones that are vellum, I believe, up here in the top, and then the bigger pieces down here in the bottom. And so this is a really fun collection because it does have those 6 vellum pieces. But then it also has a lot of tags and frames and little tickets and a Viewmaster, some pops of black in with these really fun colors. So this is going to be a really, really neat set to work with. If you know me, you know that I love bright colors with black and white. And so I think this collection is going to work for me. And I do have some other things from this collection as well. So you'll see me kind of mixing and matching and adding some additional things, both from my stash and from the store. And so then I also have the 6x8 paper pad for this one, and these pages also have gold foiling. So the Auburn Lane collection was copper and Wild Heart is gold. And so I'm just going to flip through those. We have this one that has this huge phrase on it. Some of the palm fronds and then sunglasses. That one's got that really great gold finish. This is one of my favorite patterns in this entire collection. I have a couple of sheets of this in 12x12. It's super fun. Watercolor, and this is actually the back of that other paper, if you get the 12x12. Super fun patterns. I love how this has the gold foil, but it's overlaid over a plain background with just the green. This one's really gorgeous too. Those bright pops of color with the black background. Lots and lots of options. I really like this collection as well. I don't know, I don't have a ton of things for this jungle-ish theme. But I think this collection is really versatile, and so I'm going to be able to use this for a lot of different types of layouts. So I am really excited to jump in and kind of get started and play around with what I can create with this collection as well. So over the next few Saturdays, you will see some projects from Wild Heart, some projects from Auburn Lane, and then also some really fun things using all of these new Nuvo goodies. So the mica mists and the shimmer powders. And so that's going to do it for what I am going to be working with this month. And I will be back to see you again soon to show you what I am coming up with all of these fun things. Bye!